Have you ever gone on a trip without a map or a clear destination in mind? Chances are, you ended up driving around aimlessly, wasting time and gas. But what if you had a plan? What if you knew exactly where you wanted to go and how to get there? You'd be much more efficient and productive, right? Well, setting intentions for the month is like having that map, compass, and plan. It gives you a sense of direction, purpose, and motivation. Without intentions, you're just drifting through life, reacting to whatever comes your way. But with intentions, you're proactive, intentional, and in control. Setting intentions also helps you prioritize your time and energy. When you have clear goals in mind, you can focus on what's important and avoid getting sidetracked by distractions. It's like putting on blinders so you can stay on track and reach your destination. Furthermore, setting intentions can help you cultivate positive habits and behaviors. By focusing on what you want to achieve, you can create a roadmap for success and make progress towards your goals. It's like training for a marathon. You don't just wake up one day and run 26 miles. You train consistently and intentionally to build up your endurance. But how do you actually set intentions? That's what we're here to talk about today. By the end of this, you'll have all the tools and tips you need to set clear and achievable intentions for the month ahead. Are you ready to take control of your life and start planting those seeds? Let's get started. One of the most important parts of setting intentions for the month is to ask yourself a few key questions. What are your main goals for the month? What are the most important tasks you need to focus on? How will you prioritize your time and energy in order to achieve these goals? Additionally, what areas do you want to focus on improving and how can you measure the progress you make? Having a clear idea of where you want to go and how you'll get there will help you stay motivated and reach your goals. Now let us discuss about some techniques for setting intentions. The first technique for setting intention is visualization. Have you ever daydreamed about something you really wanted, like a dream job, a perfect relationship, or a tropical vacation? Maybe you imagined the sights, sounds, and feelings of that experience so vividly that it felt like you were actually there. That's the power of visualization, the ability to create a mental image of something you desire and feel the emotions associated with it. And it's a powerful tool for setting intentions for the month. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be interrupted. Step 2. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax your body and clear your mind. Step 3. Visualize yourself 1 month from now, having achieved your desired outcome. What do you see, hear, and feel? Imagine the details as vividly as possible. Step 4. Engage your senses. What does it smell like? What do you taste? What does it feel like? Really put yourself in the moment and experience it fully. Step 5. Ask yourself, what did I do to make this happen? What steps did I take to achieve my goal? Step 6. Write down your intentions for the month based on your visualization. Be specific, actionable, and realistic. Visualizing your goals in this manner aids in the formation of a clear mental image of what you want to achieve, making it simpler to direct your thoughts and actions towards your goal. It also helps to activate your emotions, generating enthusiasm and motivation that may propel you to achievement. Why not give it a shot? Choose a peaceful place, close your eyes, and imagine yourself reaching your monthly goals. Then write them down and devise a strategy to make your vision a reality. You can set powerful intentions by utilizing the power of imagination. The second technique for setting intention is affirmation. Let me tell you about the power of affirmations. An affirmation is a positive statement that you repeat to yourself regularly, with the intention of manifesting that reality in your life. It's like planting a seed in your mind, nurturing it with positivity and intention, and watching it grow into a beautiful, fruitful tree. And when it comes to setting intentions for the month, affirmations can be a game changer. Instead of just vaguely hoping for good things to happen, you can use the power of affirmations to set clear and specific goals for yourself. For example, if you want to improve your health, your affirmation might be, I am healthy and strong. If you want to find a new job, your affirmation might be, I am capable and confident in my abilities. The key is to keep your affirmation positive and focused on what you want to achieve, rather than what you want to avoid. Now comes the fun part. Repeat your affirmation out loud to yourself throughout the day. Say it with conviction and belief, as if it has already come true. Imagine yourself already living the life you want to create, and let that feeling of confidence and empowerment wash over you. By setting clear intentions for the month and repeating positive affirmations, you are sending a powerful message to your subconscious mind. You are telling yourself that you are capable of achieving your goals and that you are worthy of success. And when you believe in yourself, amazing things can happen. The next technique for setting intention is gratitude practice. Imagine waking up each day with a sense of excitement and gratitude for all the positive things in your life. It's a sensation that may change your entire perspective, infusing you with calm and satisfaction. The gratitude practice approach is a simple yet effective way to establish goals for the coming month. It involves taking a few minutes each day to reflecting on the things in your life for which you are thankful. By turning your focus away from what you don't have and towards what you do, you can build a sense of abundance and positivity that will carry you through the month with full energy. Here's how it works. Take a few moments each day to focus on the wonderful things in your life. It might be as basic as the feel of the sun on your skin or the flavor of your favorite cuisine. It might also be a more significant event, such as a job promotion or a meaningful talk with a loved one. Take a minute to relish the sense of gratitude once you've discovered something for which you're grateful. Let it fill you up, like a hot cup of tea on a cold day. Let yourself to bask in the light of appreciation, knowing that you are surrounded by riches and blessings. By making a daily gratitude practice a part of your routine, you are setting a powerful intention for the month ahead. You are telling the universe that you are open and receptive to all the good things that are coming your way. And when you approach life with a sense of gratitude, you attract even more blessings into your life. But don't just take my word for it. Take a moment to think about the people in your life who radiate joy and positivity. I'm willing to bet that they are also the ones who are most grateful for what they have. It's no coincidence that gratitude and happiness go hand in hand. The fourth technique for setting intention is mindfulness. Mindfulness is a powerful tool that can help you set intentions for the month. Start by taking a few moments to sit or lie down and connect to your breath. Allow yourself to relax and tune into your inner voice. Once you feel settled, think about what you want to focus your attention and energy on for the month ahead. It can be anything from learning a new skill, increasing your physical activity, practicing more self-care, connecting with friends and family, or anything else that is meaningful to you. Think about how this intention will make you feel and how it can shift your life for the better in the upcoming month. Once you feel clarity around your intention, write it down on a piece of paper and keep it somewhere safe so that you can look at it throughout the month. By setting intentions with mindfulness, you can make this month your best one yet. I will link some related videos in the description to get you started on gratitude and journaling. Now that we have explored the techniques, let us talk about some practical steps for setting intentions. A. Identifying values. Before setting an intention, it's essential to understand your core values. Your values are the guiding principles that define who you are and what you stand for. They shape your decisions and actions, and they give your life meaning and purpose. To identify your values, ask yourself, what matters most to me? What do I care about deeply? What motivates and inspires me? Once you have a list of your values, you can use them as a compass to set intentions that align with your vision for your life. B. Creating a vision board. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals, dreams, and aspirations. It's a collage of images, words, and symbols that inspire you and remind you of what you want to achieve. To create a vision board, gather magazines, newspapers, or online images that represent your intentions. Cut out the images and arrange them on a board or a sheet of paper. Add quotes, affirmations, and anything else that resonates with you. Place your vision board somewhere you can see it every day, and let it motivate you to take action towards your goals. C. Journaling. Journaling is an excellent tool for self-reflection and personal development. It enables you to obtain clarity and insight into your life by exploring your ideas, feelings, and experiences. To utilize journaling to set intentions, begin by putting down your monthly objectives and desires. Next, consider how you will attain them and what measures you will need to take. Write down any hurdles or challenges you expect, as well as ideas for overcoming them. Lastly, keep track of your progress and celebrate your accomplishments along the road. By combining these practical steps, you can set intentions that are aligned with your values, visualized through a vision board, and supported by reflective journaling. With these tools, you can create a roadmap for your life that inspires and empowers you to live your best life. You may make intentions that are connected with your values, visualized using a vision board, and supported by reflective journaling by combining 3 practical approaches. You may use these tools to develop a life roadmap that inspires and motivates you to live your greatest life. Staying motivated toward your intentions can often be a difficult task. One of the most important tools for staying motivated is to set small, achievable goals. This should be done in line with your overall intention, but broken down into smaller, easily achievable goals so that progress is constantly being made and you don't become overwhelmed. Having these interim targets can also give you a sense of accomplishment as you reach each goal and motivate you to keep going. Additionally, it's important to track your progress and celebrate your successes along the way so you can stay motivated. In conclusion, setting intentions is a powerful tool for creating the life you dream of. So, take the time this month to sit down and reflect on what you truly want for yourself. Once you have clarity on where you want to go, create an intention and commit to taking action in order to make it happen. Finally, watch related videos on my channel for more tips and tricks on how to set and manifest intentions.